It's a 2017 Honda Accord sedan. Honda made no compromises with this luxurious and practical Accord. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Smart device navigation, power heated mirrors, heated leather bucket seats, auto-dimming rearview mirror, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, automatic transmission, power sliding and tilting sunroof, gas pressurized shocks, and V6 engine. Car and Driver points out the steering, the brakes, and the suspension work in harmonious balance to make the Accord seem agile and springy. Honda's created some of the most admired vehicles on the planet. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.